Hi everyone, I just got an update from our design team that this is the final version of our app. So I'm planning to make a video tutorial from scratch to the production for this app. So I'll be actually coding it on live, and sometimes I will be making some tutorial about it, and I'll publish regularly in my channel. So this is a very simple app which actually takes some HR thing in action. So the idea is that it will solve the attendance. And guys, this will be a real time, real life production app. So this is not just a video tutorial kind of thing. This is actually product full face production app which I'm planning to make some money, and I will share my whole journey here after coding and after going to production. So in this app, there are some of the screens. So we have some sections of screens. So let's walk you through the screens. So initially, it will have some splash screen, and this is not defined yet. And a login screen or sign up screen, you can say. So we have also covered the onboarding and sign up and login thing in the same place so that it will not bother user to see the onboarding page just to inform users. Anyway, so there is the sign in, sign up, and kind of verification thing, and this is the main UI, so which will code in Flutter. After completing the verification, there will be some time setups thing here, and we'll also have some of the employer or employee screen here. So this is an attendance tracking app, and we already have the style guidelines. So we'll initially code the way we actually code full-fledged Flutter application for production for clients with a real team. So in this tutorial, we'll actually explore that kind of way of coding, and not just how to do some Flutter code. So we'll actually maintain full clean architecture and all the clean code stuffs. And for the backend part, we will also take care it in the tutorial. And we are planning to actually use the Pocket Base for this app. So this is our initial style guideline. So we'll first create the application, create the Pocket-based application, then we'll create our style guideline so that when we'll actually code our app features, we don't have to look about how to design the text field or how to actually set up the text colors, that kind of thing. So we will set up the typography and set up the themes, and then we will actually start coding our UI. So I hope you will watch all the tutorials and learn a little bit about it. And that's it. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.